As per our extremely current torrential slide cost forecast, the worth of torrential slide will expanded by 253.19%, coming to $70.55 by end of 2025. All specialized pointers show that the ongoing opinion is impartial, while the trepidation and covetousness file is perusing 39.59. Which most certainly implies intense apprehension in a significant manner. Our torrential slide gauge, its whole torrential slide right now in a significant manner. On February 24, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, showing an overall unbiased feeling among torrential slide cost expectations. See the specific torrential slide cost forecast beneath. You will explicitly realize the amount torrential slide sort of is especially worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the absolute most recent 30 days, torrential slide in a real sense has expanded by 10.37%. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, in a by and large significant manner. Toward the finish of February, the worth of torrential slide expanded by 113.68% and came to approach around $41.39. Presently, all pointers in a real sense are demonstrating unbiased zone, and the trepidation and eagerness list especially shows 39.59 truly intense feelings of dread, which is genuinely huge. As indicated by our estimate, this in every way that really matters isn't the ideal opportunity to hold torrential slide explicitly. At present, torrential slide is exchanging beneath the 200, certainly straightforward, moving fundamentally normal in a genuinely significant manner. For the especially most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA generally has shown a torrential slide holding sort of sign. The cost of torrential slide is presently running beneath the 50-day straightforward moving normal SMA, and it shows a purchase fundamentally signal in a significant manner. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $17.04 toward December's end. By December 2024, Avalanche's transient 50-day SMA shows a $17.92. The kind of relative strength record. RSI energy oscillator basically is a famous marker that signals whether a digital currency basically is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. Incredibly, RSI is right now at Recivalu. This shows that the Avax market is in an impartial position. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2023. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, torrential slide came to $20.99 when it dipped under $10.68. Interestingly, since January 2021, in a kind of significant manner. As per the financial backers and market trades, torrential slide is en route to passing the $42.37 mark before the current year's over. Before $42.37. It might sort of break its characteristic of $146.22 and certainly reach, as per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, torrential slide will break its past all-time exceptionally high of $146.22 and hold somewhere in the range of $35.48 and $42.37 soon. Really in opposition to mainstream thinking. At this point, on 24 February 2023, torrential slide explicitly is exchanging at $19.37, and its 24-hour exchanging volume generally is around 246.25 M, and it generally makes number 16 money in the entire crypto world. Torrential slide value expectation 2024. There is plausible that torrential slide can, in a real sense, get through the $48.91 boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024, which is genuinely critical. Particularly the least torrential slide cost will be between $41.64 to $48.91, and the most kind of possible torrential slide cost will fundamentally be, in every practical sense, consistent at around $47.28 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Avalanche's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its naturally disagreeable energy use, tycoon financial speculator Tim Draper basically is adhering to his forecast that torrential slide will reach $48.91 toward the finish of 2024, or by and large mid-2024. Torrential slide value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists certainly foresee that Avax will truly begin the year at $57.12 and exchange around $70.55. As per their expectations, this would truly be very extremely high, contrasted with most certainly a year ago. This especially is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin. Torrential slide value expectation 2026. There essentially is a genuinely decent possibility that torrential slide 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. Yet it is likewise commonly conceivable that it may not for the most part arrive at its normal greatest $88.72 level. Torrential slide sort of is anticipated to arrive at an untouched extremely high of $81.94 or $88.72 in 2026, and it could in every way that really matters be the extended time of torrential slide. Torrential slide value forecast 2027. Torrential slide value expectation, or Avax, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it can possibly for the most part accomplish new highs as far as price tags and market cap, which is very critical. Avalanche's cost is supposed to outperform $88.72 in 2027. Amazingly, it has been in every practical sense anticipated that torrential slide will arrive at the sort of greatest cost of $88.72, and the base cost is supposed to be around $74.54 in the sort of next a long time from 2027. In a significant manner, torrential slide gauge 2028 market examiners and specialists basically foresee explicitly say that torrential slide value forecast and specialized examination, torrential slide, is supposed to cross a value level of $102.50 in 2028. In the interim, torrential slide essentially is supposed to explicitly arrive at least cost of $91.89 this year. The for the most part greatest cost may sort of reach $104.70, or so they thought. Torrential slide, Avax, value forecast 2029 by the start of 2029. The torrential slide value expectation and specialized investigation foresee that the expense of torrential slide will really reach $142.32, and the cost of Avax ought to reach $142.32 before the year is over. Also, Avax can reach up to $130.75 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring critical years for torrential slide development. Avax value expectation 2030 out of 2030. Torrential slide value forecast are supposed to cross the $201.47 normal cost level, as indicated by torrential slide figure and specialized investigation. Toward the finish of 2030, Avalanche's base cost is supposed to generally be $188.83, in spite of prevalent thinking. Moreover, Avax can in every way that really matters arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $203.09. Incredibly, toward the finish of 2030, torrential slide will in a real sense have a typical cost of $203.09. The crypto market expects a